I'm sure you guys have seen this trend that's all over the internet right now where we cut cake with wine glasses. Well, today we're gonna put a little spin on that. We're gonna make some brownies and we are gonna cut into our brownies with our mugs, and then we're gonna fill them with ice cream and top them with hot fudge and whipped cream. Welcome back to Shelley's Bakes Cakes. I just baked up this brownie and I baked it in one of my cake pans because I just wanted to make it round to make it that much more fun as we cut into it with our mugs. All right, so now I just decorated my brownie, and you guys can decorate, you don't have to decorate it, but I just, decorated it with some buttercream decorations and of course some sprinkles and powdered sugar. We're just gonna get a mug and we're gonna turn it upside down and we're gonna press it into this brownie and pull away. And there you go, guys. We have brownie in a mug. That easy, that fast. Just continue to cut into that brownie with your mugs, however many people you have around, and you're gonna have a brownie in a mug. Quick and easy, simple as that. Just to make it that much more fun, you guys don't have to do it. You can just have your brownie in your mug because let's face it, that's delicious on its own. But we're gonna amp it up just a little bit more, and I'm gonna put a little scoop of vanilla ice cream right on top of this brownie. And then of course we have some hot fudge we're gonna squirt right on top. And some whipped cream, and why not a sparkly cherry. Oh, and some sprinkles. And there you have it, guys. You have the most delicious brownie in a mug, and it was so easy. We made it like that. No mess of cutting it with knives and having to get napkins or anything. All you do is just turn your mug around and scoop it out, and there you have it. You have a brownie in a mug. This was such a fun technique to do, not using knives to cut into our brownies. However, I'm not gonna, lie. Having the little mess around the mug did get me a little bit. I wanted to clean it, but I just wanted to show you guys, you don't need a knife and fork. You guys can just scoop out that brownie and put it in your mug. Add a little bit of ice cream, hot fudge if you want, and there you have it, a brownie in a mug with a sparkly cherry on top. Thanks so much for watching here at Shelley's Bakes Cakes, and make sure and subscribe to my channel, guys.